Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn different lines of command to put in the notes section of your slides to have better control over the text-to-speech generation. Let's begin. We'll use this presentation as an example. The lines of command we're about to see work with any presentation. Let's see how to disable speech and content automatic synchronization. By default, the content's time of display on the slide is synchronized with the automatic speech so that content appears gradually as the speech progresses. The result may not suit your needs, so you may want to deactivate this option during import. Let's see how to change the narrator's gender. You can choose the voice gender of your automatic speech speaker with the TTS female or the TTS male line of command. You'll have to put it at the beginning of the note section of your first slide. Don't forget, all the commands will have 2 % at the beginning and only 1 at the end. Let's see how to change some words' pronunciations. You can change the pronunciation of words. For example, if you have an acronym in your text that is written with and without spaces between letters, you can search and replace every word so they all have the same pronunciation. For example, to pronounce aim and a.i.m. as aim, start by searching the words like this, with the TTS find and TTS find end command. Then replace all the words you searched with the TTS replace and the TTS replace end command. Let's see how to change the narrator's speech rate. To change the speech rate, you can use the TTS prosody rate command in the note section of your first slide. For example, to slow your speech down by 30%, write 0.7 inside the command prompt. If you want to speed it up by 10%, write 1.1 inside the command prompt. Let's see how to pick a specific voice for your narrator. To pick a specific voice for your automatic speech, you can go to this address, listen to samples and get the voice code you want for your narrator. Then enter the code you chose in the notes section of your first slide to change the voice for the whole video. Use the TTS voice command like this. In this example, the code corresponds to an English voice with an Indian accent. To change the voice only on a specific slide, write slide TTS voice instead of TTS voice in the note section of the targeted slide. Let's see how to use different voices in a single text. You can use different voices in a single text. For example, to generate a conversation between 2 persons or to handle several languages in the same sentence. For that purpose, you can use SSML tags directly in the notes section and the voice codes found at the same address as we've seen before. Here is an example of what we can write in the notes section with SSML tags. Let's see how to pause your speech. You can manually add pauses in your speech to synchronize it with the slide content. Use SSML directly in the notes section and use the break tag. To know more about SSML, go to this address. Thank you for following this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it. Go to www.automate.video to sign up and start creating your videos.